I actually ordered these, fam, and then they got discontinued. Ain't that something? So you can't, or maybe they discontinued for now, but I can't find another one. I'm like, man. So, needless to say, I can't find another one at the moment. But we're gonna put this together. So when you're tacking with the TIG, I would recommend you cutting up the amps a little more than what you would put on it if you was actually going to weld on it. That way the tacks can be faster, a little hotter, and you can move quicker. So I'm putting all my faces in a row and all my blanks in a row because I'm actually going to draw on them. We normally go from a sad to a mad, don't we? So that's what I'm gonna put. My next one gonna be my mad face. Like, hey, I do something to you. And this is actually a gift for two special people in my life. So I like to bless the people that I love, look out for them, do something special. Anyone go to the bank. Woo, boy, them things was strong. So they gonna move anywhere it go. So you just got to set them. Now this is more of a, what is that? More of a distress. Like, man, I'm not sad, but like, whoo, ugh. And I think my friend, she be like that sometimes, you know what I mean? You don't too much just get sad, but sometimes you just get tired of people. And you know how that be, you know, you don't necessarily just be, you know, like, man, I love dealing with them, but man, sometimes they can, ugh. So I love talking to her because she always giving me great advice. It's always good to have somebody in your life, fam, to give you some good advice. All right, this is twisted just a hair, so I'm gonna have to hold it and tack it. And then once I do that, it's good. Bam. All right, there I go on that end. Now I'll start figuring out how to put these on. And I thought when I did these, when I bought these was gonna be like some type of equal offset, but they're not. They're kind of different. Kind of threw me for a loop at first. I'm like, what is this? What's going on here? And this is a keepsake, you know, like I say, a product that I'm building for a friend. Two special people. Who have most definitely helped me out in my journey in life. And I like to make sure both of them are good. So I made both of them faces. So this is the first stage of it, fam. And like I said, I just wanted to tack it together. Now I got it tacked together. and I can go on and weld it up. So I'm not gonna use, I'm debating on if I'm gonna use filler metal on all the way around, or somewhere I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do flat with and without, and then might draw on the side. That's what we might do here. But I got the first stage down, so I'm gonna take my picture. Thanks for checking in. Be blessed, fam. Hog on.